In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply the 10% and 50% late penalties to homework to multiple assignments at the same time. First, log into MyLabs Plus and click on Assignment Manager. Then, click Change Dates and Assign Status. Here, we can enter the due dates for multiple assignments at the same time. So say I taught these first 3 sections worth of homework, and I need them all due the same day. I checked them. I'm going to click the day I need them due. If you'd like to adjust the time, you can. And then I'm going to hit Apply to Selected. You can do this for all of your assignments at the same time if you'd like. Now these assignments also are going to allow a late submission because students are allowed to work until the end of the semester. So I'll put in for the final submission date the last day that I have class or the last day that the students are allowed to work. And I'm also going to hit Apply to Selected. After everything is applied, I'm going to hit Update Changes Only. I'll hit OK, and I'm going to go back to the Homework Test Manager. So right now I've applied dates. Now what I need to do is change the late penalty. To do this for multiple assignments, go to More Tools, Change Settings for Multiple Assignments. I'm doing this for homework, so I will choose Homework Assignments. Now I'm only doing this for specific assignments, so I'm going to choose which specific assignments, and it'll be the 3 that I assigned due dates to, and I'll hit OK. Then I'm going to check late submissions. They can work after the due date, but there is going to be a late submission penalty of 10%. And I want this applied only to questions scored after the due date. Then I scroll down to the bottom and hit Apply Settings. I'll hit Close, and I'm going to go back to the Homework Test Manager. They should be done. If you want to double check to see that they're done, hit Select Settings for Class. You'll see the due date, the penalties that we put in, along with the final submission. When you close, either hit Cancel because you're not changing anything, or Save and Assign to allow the students to see it. When you need to go in and change it to 50% at the end of the test, go to More Tools, Change Settings for Multiple Assignments, choose the homework assignments on that test, and click Late Submissions. Continue to allow students to work after the due date, the late submission penalty, change it to 50% only for those questions scored after the due date, and hit Apply Settings. Just like before, you can go back to the Homework Test Manager and do Settings for Class to confirm that it has changed to 50%.